The cleanest luxury designs always feel effortless because they remove distractions instead of adding more decoration. Today, how to design elegant luxury frame systems. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert one main rectangular frame slightly off-center and place your image inside, adjusting the crop carefully for clarity and balance. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a soft layered border effect. Keep the background minimal using warm white, muted beige, or soft gray tones for a calm premium atmosphere. Add one thin geometric accent or elegant line detail with very low opacity for subtle sophistication.